Oh my word, how many eggs is that? As you've seen, we have got a load of eggs at the moment. We just, for whatever reason, we've not been eating the 2, 3, sometimes 4 eggs that we get a day from our backyard hens. So, really easy recipe. I'm going to make some pancake batter and then I'm going to freeze it. Because as gardeners, we know sometimes you get a glut of stuff, so you preserve it for later. So this is how I do my pancake batter. 1 cup, doesn't matter how big your cup is, other than the bigger the cup, the more mix you get. But we're going to use the cup as the same measurement throughout. 1 cup of plain flour. Stick that in a mixing bowl. Boom! Same cup, let's keep this really easy. Milk. Mixing bowl. Wang it in. 3 eggs. Smash. Get in there. 1. Don't forget, save your shells for the compost. 2. Now, I'll be honest, 3 eggs does make it quite an eggy mix. Well, that's how we like it. If you don't like it quite as eggy and as thick, use 2 eggs. Little whisk. I'm just going to break up the yolks. And now I'm going to whisk it all together. Little optional extra. Some people add a pinch of salt. Some people add some baking powder. I don't. It's as simple as eggs, milk and flour. Just whisk it, get all the lumps out of the flour. Again, lumps in flour. Some people would have sieved the flour. I don't. Because it's good exercise to whisk it. Right, I'll whisk that just a little bit more and then we'll go on to the next step. So I've got some nice clean plastic containers, although I can't say that the worktop's clean anymore because I've spilt flour everywhere, but that's another story. And then it's just, this is just so easy. Now I'm doing this in the middle of January. Fairly soon will be Pancake Day, Shrove Tuesday. So, because I've done this now while we have a glut of eggs, Pancake Day in our house is going to be fantastically easy. All we'll have to do is get these out of the freezer in the morning, let them defrost during the day, and then at night for tea time, pancakes. Right, I don't even have to label up these boxes because it's obvious what's in them. We don't freeze anything else which looks like this. Although that said, I have got visions of our Claire opening the freezer and going, why have you been freezing wallpaper paste? So, how easy was that? Just get the lids on, whack them in the freezer, and then when it's Pancake Day, done. Or, doesn't have to be Pancake Day. Who says you can only eat pancakes on Pancake Day? We eat pancakes quite often in this house. So, there's easily, with half the mix in each container, there's easily enough for at least 2 each for 4 of us in each box. Thanks for watching, guys. Nice one. These are the lovely ladies that give us all of our eggs. I do have a playlist about our backyard chickens. It'd be amazing if you could go and check it out.